Don't allow me to talk to
guys,
you.
this is Block
Don't
TV.
allow me to talk to you.
Guys, how will I
Don't allow me to talk to you.
Please, I would like you to watch this video.
Don't allow me to talk to you.
Daddy, why?
You will not like what I will tell you.
Daddy, talk. I want to be set free. I want to be delivered, please. I did.
Don't mention. I'm saying something in your ear and you are saying it out. Huh?
Yes, sir.
You are the cause of your problem. You were born with favor. You were born with incredible favor. But you live some contradicted life. You are Marian's daughter when you were small. The grace of God is here. You made a mistake. Your glory is covered. You are under bondage. Disappointment is now your food. Huh?
It's true, sir.
You are the one that caused everything. How many times have you come here?
This is my second time.
The second time. Where is your mom?
She's late.
Huh?
She's dead.
She's dead. Yes. You're having problem. What do you want the Lord to do for you? You want to go to open your two hands. Did you have a child?
I have a child.
Is he a girl?
Yes, I said girl. Daddy, please help me. You are my last hope, Daddy.
Jesus is your last hope. Where is the father of your baby? Your face is one side and his face is one side.
Yes, sir. It's true, sir.
Do you want to marry him or you want another one? Huh?
I would choose.
Am I the one that will...
You're not the best.
What are you doing here, sister? What are you doing here in Lagos?
I'm doing housework. But anywhere I go to work, they pursue me, they accuse me.
You are making mistakes. Even as you are walking, you are still making a mistake. Why did people take advantage of you so easily? Why are you easily to be taken advantage of? You don't hear what I'm saying? How again will I tell her for her to understand? Why is it easy for people to take advantage of you? Huh?
I don't know.
And I can't say I don't know. Give your life to Christ. Make a decision from today. Are you going to make such decision?
Yes, sir.
Favor will come. The father of your daughter is not even on his own. Somebody is also in his life. So, going back to the father of your daughter, did he pay your bride price?
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Most importantly, turn on your bell notifications so that whenever I upload an amazing video just like this one,
your yoke is broken in the name of Jesus. Jesus. That matter is settled. Amen.